Is drinking chamomile tea good for acne? Chamomile is used for centuries as a medical plant. Chamomile tea has unique properties that could help you with acne and keep glowing skin. The benefits of drinking chamomile tea for skin. Drinking chamomile tea is good for you, due to its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Traditionally, chamomile extract is used to treat wounds, ulcers, eczema, skin irritations, bruises, burns, and many more. Therefore, chamomile extract is good for your skin. Most noteworthy, chamomile extract may help to treat skin inflammation or even bacterial infections. Besides skin infections, chamomile tea is also good for fighting oral and nasal infections. It's a beverage that can help keep healthy and strong teeth. Drink chamomile tea for skin lightening. Chamomile is present in many cosmetic products. For instance, chamomile tea face mask may help to soothe and soften the skin. Chamomile tea is rich in flavonoids and essential oils. A study showed that chamomile flavonoids were not only absorbed at the skin surface, but also they penetrated below the skin surface, into the deeper skin layers. So, chamomile extract and essential oils are great for skin applications. The flowers of chamomile contain 1 to 2% volatile oils, such as alpha-bisabolol, natricin, and many other flavonoids. These compounds have anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking chamomile tea is another great way to take advantage of these powerful antioxidants. Is chamomile tea good for acne? Chamomile is often used to treat mild skin irritations, such as sunburn, rashes, or even sores. But, could chamomile tea help against acne? There are many causes of acne. Infections, diet, hormonal changes, genetics, or even stress can cause acne. Chamomile tea could help with acne, mainly due to its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Certainly, a healthy diet is better for dealing with acne. However, drinking chamomile tea regularly is good for you. It's so rich in antioxidants. How to use chamomile tea for acne? Firstly, you can drink chamomile tea every day. It will boost your antioxidant intake. Secondly, you could let chamomile tea cool down, and rub it gently on clean skin. Chamomile tea can help fade acne scars. Using chamomile essential oil is the best treatment for itchy skin. It's important to keep your skin clean. Moreover, diet could really help you with acne. Eat lots of foods that promote natural collagen production. Collagen is vital for healthy and lightening skin. Furthermore, you should consume seeds and nuts daily. They are the best plant-based sources of zinc. Adequate consumption of zinc is vital for dealing with acne. How often should you drink chamomile tea? Is it possible to drink too much chamomile tea? Drinking chamomile tea daily is generally safe. Most people could drink many cups per day. The benefits of drinking chamomile tea daily are many. On the contrary, people on medication should consult their healthcare provider about drinking chamomile tea daily. Also, people with allergies should be extra cautious. Can you drink chamomile tea late in the afternoon? It's safe to drink chamomile tea every night. Chamomile tea doesn't contain caffeine. So, it's good for you to drink it late in the afternoon, or just before sleeping. Above all, chamomile tea soothes the nervous system. It's good for helping you sleep. Additionally, if you have sleeping problems, you should try eating pistachios and other melatonin-containing foods. Our bodies produce melatonin during the night. Melatonin acts as an internal clock. It helps us sleep. Benefits of adding ginger, lavender, or lemon for the skin. Do you want the best out of your chamomile tea? You can add ginger, lavender, lemon juice, or mint. Not only these ingredients provide unique flavor, but also they're super rich in antioxidants, as well. Ginger is well studied for its powerful antioxidative and anti-inflammatory effects. Lavender is good for soothing the nervous system. It's great for a better sleep. Lemon juice is rich in antioxidants. Also, lemon juice is high in vitamin C. Lastly, mint has potent antimicrobial activity. You can also watch chamomile tea benefits for skin. There are more hidden secrets in chamomile tea that you can find out here. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video.